How would you feel if your PC's task manager didn't work on a nice, beautiful morning? Not great, I think, but don't panic. I'm here to rescue you from this kind of trouble at any time. So subscribe the channel and join the Discord server for instant solution.
You may want to join Discord server to know tiny tips and tricks. Link in the description.
Today, I'm gonna teach you 3 solutions of 3 problems: Task Manager, Registry Editor, and the command prompt. Why on earth you get this error? First, you use account that was blocked by the local group policy or domain group policy. And second, some registry setting block you from using Task Manager or Registry Editor or command prompt. So follow my instruction. If you ever get the error like Task Manager has been disabled by your administrator, or Task Manager required permission, or Registry Editor disabled, or command prompt disabled, and many more blah blah blah. First we fix Task Manager. So press Windows and R key on the keyboard to open Run. Then type gpedit.msc. Then press enter or hit OK. Now navigate User Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, and Control plus Alt plus Delete options. Double click on Remove Task Manager and select Not Configured or Disabled. Not configured or disabled, then apply and OK. And of course you have to restart your PC to fix the problem. So now we fix Registry Editor and command prompt. To fix this, press Windows and R key on the keyboard to open Run and type again gpedit.msc and press enter or hit OK. Now navigate to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, and scroll down and double click on Prevent Access to Registry Editing Tools and set to Not Configured or Disable. Then click on Apply and OK. For command prompt, double click on Prevent Access to Command Prompt and set Not Configured or Disable and apply and OK, and restart your PC. That's it. Your problem fixed. Thank you for being here.